How to grow spinach at home. Hi, I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network talking to you about growing spinach in your home garden. Spinach is a very hardy plant and it will grow almost through the year here in India. You will need loose fertile soil that is about 6 inches to 1 foot in depth. This soil needs to be well draining so that water doesn't get stagnated. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep in the soil. Spinach likes partial shade, so don't place it in direct sunlight. Place the spinach in a place that is a little cool. Fertilize once every month. Mulch this plant using dry leaves. You can prune the leaves from time to time, harvesting the bigger leaves that you want and leaving the rest to grow and become bigger leaves. You will have to control the pests and diseases by ensuring that you're fertilizing regularly. You can plant companion plants along with spinach like radish. You can grow companion plants along with spinach like radishes to keep the leaf miners away. You will be able to harvest spinach anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks. Hope these tips help you grow your own batch full of spinach at home. If you would like a vegetable garden where you could be growing a lot of your own spinach, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. You could also call us at 8880482000. Subscribe to this channel. Happy gardening!